Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Sit down. Date is 5 December 2020. Class is 8. Subject Maths. Period first. Duration 40 minutes. Now students, I am going to ask you some questions. If you know the answer, raise your hand and answer it in a complete sentence. Give some examples of variable.
Some examples of variable are x, y, and z.
Very good. X, y. Now, if you add 3 constant in variable x, how can you write it?
X plus 3 and y plus 3.
X plus
3.
3. You can write it as x plus 3. What you call x plus 3 in algebra?
We call x plus 3 in algebra an algebraic expression.
An algebraic expression. If what you call those expression used to solve the algebraic, what you call those identities which you used to solve the algebraic expression like x plus 3.
Algebraic identities.
Very good. How can you solve x plus 3 by using algebraic identity? So students, today we will study about how to use algebraic identity and solve the algebraic expression. Algebraic identity. Now students, look at the chart. Use identity. First is x plus 5 and multiplied by x plus 5. What is x here?
X is a variable and 5 is constant.
Yes, x is variable and 5 is
constant.
How can you solve this by using algebraic identity? X plus 5. X plus 5. Here we will use the algebraic identity. We will square the x plus 5 2 times, that is x plus 5 whole square. Okay, since they are written 2 times, and then we will solve it by using the formula like x square plus 2 into
X
5 into x plus 5 square. Okay, x square plus 2 into 5 into x plus 5 square. So the answer will be x square plus
10x plus 25.
10x plus 25. This is the solution by using algebraic identity. Now see the second question. X plus 7. What is variable here?
X.
What is constant here?
7.
How can you use algebraic identity to solve this? X plus
7.
X plus
7.
7. It is written 2 times. So x plus 7 ka whole square, and then we will write it as x square plus 2 multiplied by x multiplied by
7
7 plus
14
49
49
square. Okay, so the answer will be x
x
square
square plus 14x plus 49.
14x plus 49. Now see the third question. A plus 9 multiplied by a plus 9. What is variable here?
A is variable
What is constant
and
here?
constant is 9.
Very good. A is variable and 9 is constant. How can you solve it? By using algebraic identity?
We will write 2 times a plus 9 into a plus 9.
Very good. A plus 9 and we will square a plus 9 and write it as a square plus 2 multiplied by a multiplied by 9 plus
9
9
square
square
is equal to
is equal to a
square
square plus.
plus 18a plus 81.
Very good. Now see the fourth question. Y plus 10. Y plus 10. What is variable here?
Y is variable and 10 is constant.
Very good. 10 is constant. How can you solve it? By using algebraic identity?
We will write 2 times y plus 10 into y plus 10.
Y plus 10 into y plus 10
is equal
and you can write it as y plus 10 ka whole
whole
square.
square.
And we will write it first y square
plus
plus
2
2 multiplied by y
into 10
multiplied by 10 multiplied by plus
plus
10 square.
square.
Answer will be
Y square plus 20 y plus 100.
very good. So students, look at the four solution. What is common here? What you do in this 4 question? Is there anything common you see? Anything common you see? What first we doing? We are doing first.
We will write 2 times
First we are squaring the first term and then we are multiplying
Multiply
the
two.
first and second by 2 and then we are squaring the second term. Now tell me what is common here? What formula you use?
we will use the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square.
Very good. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Formula is a square plus b square
Plus
plus
2ab.
2ab. This is the formula. Now students, write this formula in your notebook. This is the formula. Noted?
Yes, ma'am.
Now students, we will solve some questions related to algebraic identity. My first question is x plus 3, x plus 3. Now solve this. How can you solve? Which formula you use?
A square plus 2ab plus b square.
Very good. What is A here?
A is equal to x,
Plus
b is equal a square plus b square 9 plus 2
B square
into
equal to 9
plus 2 into 6 x
plus 2 into x
into
3.
3
Answer will be x square
Plus
9 plus 6x.
6x.
Very good. For my next question is y plus 2, y plus 2. Which formula you use?
a square plus b square plus 2ab.
Very good. What is A?
Y square
Y square
plus
2ab. What is A and B here?
a is equal to y and b is equal to 2.
Very good. 2 into y into 2 plus
b square 2 ka square
2 square. Very good. Y square plus
4y
4y
plus
plus
4.
4. Very good. Now students, note down these answers in your notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Noted?
Yes, ma'am.
Now students, look here. These are some match the column. First First is x plus 1, x plus 1. How you match it? With the
X
column
square
B?
plus 2x plus 1.
Very good. You will match it with this. Second is y plus 8, y plus 8.
Y square plus 16, y plus 64.
Very good. Now the third one is left.
4x square plus 12x plus 9.
Very good. Now students, open your diary and note down the homework. Your homework is using algebraic identity solve 4x plus 6, 14x plus 6, 14x plus 6. Noted?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, class.